In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to create a passport size photo in Canva. Whether you need a quick and efficient way to prepare your passport photos for a passport renewal or any other official documents, Canva is a fantastic free tool that can help you get the job done in just a few minutes. So let's dive right in and walk through the process together. First things first, you're going to want to head over to Canva's website and log into your account. If you don't have an account, it's easy and free to set up, so take a moment to do that. Once you're in, you'll start by heading to the custom size feature. This is where you'll be able to set the exact dimensions needed for your passport photo. Now, when you think of passport photos, they typically need to be 2 inches by 2 inches. But in Canva, we're going to use millimeters to keep it more precise. So set both the width and height to 51 millimeters, which equates to approximately 2 inches. Remember, precision is key here to ensure the photos fit the required specifications for passport use. Once you have your dimensions set, go ahead and click on the Create New Design button. This opens up a fresh canvas with the size you just defined. It's always a good idea to double check that you're working with the right dimensions at this point. Now let's add your photo. Navigate to the upload section on the left side of the screen. This is where you can bring in your photo files from your computer. Click on Uploads and then either drag your selected photo directly into the window or click the upload button to browse and select the photo you want to use. With your photo uploaded, simply drag and drop it onto the blank canvas. You might need to adjust the photo's position slightly to ensure it is centered and all facial features are visible and clearly captured within the frame. After positioning your image, right click on it and select Set as Background. This step is essential as it ensures your image fits perfectly within the canvas without any distracting borders or misalignments. And there you have it. Your passport size photo is ready. With just these simple steps, you've created a perfectly sized passport photo using Canva, ready to print or submit wherever needed. Remember, the key is to ensure the image is clear, well lit, and precisely formatted to the required size, which we've achieved here today. I hope this guide has been helpful in simplifying the process for you. Leave a comment below if you have any questions or need further assistance, and don't forget to like and subscribe for more tutorials. Thank you for watching, and see you next time.